Hey guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be doing another Magnolia Table cookbook recipe. I'm going to be making her after school banana bread. Honestly, because I've got lots of bananas I need to use up. I will leave a Amazon link where you can get this book, but you can also get it at Walmart, Target, a bunch of other places. I highly recommend this book, and I'm super excited for the second edition coming out. So I'm just going to take you guys throughout the journey of making this recipe and giving you tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give a review and let you know if it's love at first bite. So if you want to see how this recipe turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing.
Right, so first we got going with our hideously glorious looking bananas. Yep. And then just mashed them all up with a fork. Very simple. And I have my little helper here. Yep, with is it Remy? Yep. With the wet ingredients, with the melted butter and the brown sugar.
And eggs too.
Oh yeah, there's gonna be eggs?
Yep. We got eggs and some more eggs.
Yep, and some vanilla extract, and then I just got a whisk and mixed those all together.
Yep.
And then I added in the bananas.
Yep. That's my favorite.
And then I added in all of the flour that the recipe calls for, salt, and my leavening agent. Kind of stirred those together and then combined them all. And you can add chocolate chips to this like the recipe says. Walnuts are good, but I just left mine plain because that's what I like. And then I got my 8x8 baking pan and crinkled up my parchment paper to help it fit a little bit easier. And then I sprayed it, but I didn't show that on camera, sorry. And added all of my dough in, shook it out, leveled it out, and then sprinkled it atop with some sugar, which is something that my mom used to do growing up. So I was super happy to see another recipe do this too, because it really adds a crunchiness to the bananas, or the bread, and it really just makes it really nice. And so we'll see if it looks like that when it comes out.
Can I see?
And this is what it looks like when it's all done.
All right guys, here's my little piece. So I'm going to give it a taste and see if it's love at first bite. So excited. It smells so good. Banana breads are so similar. There's a million and one recipes. I know that I filmed a couple before, but this one's just a little bit extra special. It's very moist. It's very banana-y, and I left mine a little chunky like Joanna says to do, and you get that mashed warm banana, and it's just lovely throughout this. I have to rate this, I gotta say, a 10 out of 10. It's easy, it's common ingredients for banana bread, it's nothing crazy. I love that it's cooked in a cake pan. I feel like it bakes a lot more evenly, and I don't know. I do kind of miss the loaf part of it, but you win some, you lose some. But yeah, I think this is great. I think that you guys should make this. I don't really know what else to say, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here and finish my piece. But thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe while you're here, and I will see you guys with my next video.